Kardok, Nilimonjerong Pipi, Piniberta, Arjuponita.
Lok Sabha kilik nang keleji dok aporahut Assam Congress asong japo ar pupen kaci upon. Assam along ri angkang along Congress ratchari asong penta kewangji Lok Sabha kilik kacedan dunji aphan cisik cedang ponbom aporahut inut Congress asong japo Kumar Bhattacharji ar pupen ci obuplu laswa jo Congress asong atum mang huprong lasi lapuson pulote Congress asong atum kewangji kilik aporahut Congress asong katikuk ang thek asonsi nang mandeta haipusi ke ongdong ardata tumpen cethanpon. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong News. India President Karbi Youth Festival along Kevangjia Puthak ASDC KSA KNCA pen Pherang Kiamai Kangnipon. Kevangjar koini phai kretrok CR ni India a President Draupadi Murmu Karbi Anglong Karbi Youth Festival ningkan phokep sertalin karcho along klam along kevangjia phan nelitum ASDC KSA KNCA hin pentami ningak longpen welcome pidunlo mate dengponlo nelitum ke kedam tang 1986 aningkan pen Article 244A of the Indian Constitution aron ateng pen non kedo 6 schedule aphan Constitution along kedo part 10 along 244A latum piun pusi hini Parliament alongta kedeng pondolo lasi lason pensi nelitum chesong bomlo lasinon India President da Karbi Anglong wangdet pen abangki nelitum kamatha atengki alangli henlo India Constitution along apparentlo alangli henlo ahem phulo alangli henlo kelang charik abanglo lapen 6 schedule a Constitution alongta alangli si apparentlo aturpi abanglo pu nelitum matha pensi alangli phan panong pen isi memorandum pipajirji aphan matha ponlo Lapen penangan high level atumpen chingki chingwai pon sitami pedo ponlo kaprek a political party lapen organization atumpen chingwai pon pedo pon lapen kachedon ang thek sitami do ponlo alang lida Karbi Anglong wangtang det ki isi memorandum anki pipajer donlo nang pusi cheparai ponlo bonda aphi inut bang hini atu kachedon thuthe ang thek nang klang thorok alang li phan ki memorandum pidon sita ale avelu alang li ki hemprek nang piun emate hemprek nang ki piji ajakong abi pusi penang anatum ningje ponlo bon sitami nilito matha thulo alang li ki hemprek ki pi ajakong avedeta hai sitami alangli ta inut India President apotsi alangli government aphan isi angthek chipi unji Karbi Anglong kedam pen isi lapuson memorandum longdam lolasi PC government pen puji mapu isi alamthe dopo pu mathasi isi memorandum DC pen arkoini phai krepho arni chingwa chingsai damsi arkoini phai kretrok arni DC aphan pipajer ponlo Dipu pen sarnong erongpi Karbi Anglong News.
Your Highness, first of all, we, the undersigned, on our behalf, on behalf of our party, extend heartiest greeting and good wishes to you. Uttama State Demand Committee is a restart regional legal party. It was formed in 1986 to demand implementation of the Article 244A of the Constitution of India. The provision of the Article 244A is the commitment of both the Government of India and the Government of Assam and the Parliament of India as well the people of the Hills District of Assam, which was passed by the Parliament in the 22nd Amendment in 1969 to create autonomous state within the state of Assam instead of separate state demanded by the people of the then Khasi Hills, Jenta Hills, Garo Hills and the United Mikil Hills and North Kachal Hills Autonomous District from 1960. The provision provides to form one autonomous state for each hill autonomous district or comprising two or more hill autonomous districts within the state of Assam. Accordingly, Meghalaya Autonomous State was formed in 1970, comprising Khasi Hills, Jenta Hills and Garo Hills Autonomous District of as well Assam. Unfortunately, Mikil Hills Autonomous District, now Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong Autonomous District and North Kachal Hills Autonomous District, now Dima Hasao Autonomous District, were left out of that process of the formation of autonomous state under the provision of the Article 244A of the Indian Constitution. Thus, the implementation of the Article 244A was remained incomplete and thereby the government deprived the people of Mikil Hills and North Kachal Hills Autonomous District from their special constitutional right. In this backdrop, the Autonomous State Demand Committee, ESAC, jointly with Karbi Student Association Karbi Anglong and some other organizations have been demanding autonomous state under the provision of the Article 244A of the Constitution of India since 1986. These organizations have spearheaded the autonomous state demand movement since then to achieve the constitutional right of the people of the East District of Assam. As a result, an Accord Memorandum of Understanding was signed between the government and the movement organization on the 1st April 1995 in New Delhi. But the Memorandum of Understanding has simply amended some paragraphs of the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India instead of implementing the Article 244A of the Constitution. Leaderships of the movement organization were made to understand by the government that the Article 244A of the Constitution could not be implemented due to in absence of the policy for the formation of new state. Fortunately, the government of India has re-adopted the policy for creation of new state. Accordingly, 3 new states were created in 1998. But the government of India did not create a state under the provision of the Article 244A. Hence, the implementation of the Article 244A of the Constitution was left out again. Your Highness, under the above circumstances, the Autonomous State Demand Committee, Karbi Student Association and Karbi Anglong had to start Autonomous State Demand movement again from 1998. And the 3 organizations have been launching peaceful and democratic mass struggle consistently and persistently since then and till date. Many memorandums have been submitted to the successive Prime Minister and Union Home Minister, but
India ang kangalong sorkar pen KPI scheme kelong dunde aradatum aphan kapachini alam the ajaimek denarong along kepamanpon. Denarong pathua klam along arkoini phaikraitrok arni visit Bharat Sankalp Yatra ajaimek kepamanpon. Bangso kepamanpon along Karbi Anglong MP Horen Singh besitami chetongdun. Laso ahut pherangke atum MP Horen Singh be aphan karjupon ahut nangke pachini dunki kedam tang sori hinira krepli aningka Narendra Modi ke japon kiduk kelak aradatum aphan sorkar pen kipi ke pajir ai scheme lapen sorkar asaikam dopik lasi lahai kelong dunde aradatum aphan ke palong dun etji aphan si bangso ajaimek deng ponlo pusi pherangke thengno MP Horen Singh be pen ningjepon
डाक पिनी विकसित भारत संकल्प यात्रा के लालो मेन एम एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव के लाहेलो जे के दामतंग 2014 अनिकान पेन नरेंद्र मोदी भारत प्राइम मिनिस्टर मानो खलासो पेन पिनियान स्कीम के देंग दोपिक बीपीएल फैमिली खान किदु के लागरा तो से लाहाय स्कीम आहक पे किदु के लागरा तुम लोंग लो मालोंग लेमा लासो गारंटी है दे लोंग लेलांग पुलोटे कपालोंग धुये फान के लोंग टांग तुंगाला मेलो Napen 2047 ang bong nengkan paru sikecok sadi nelong ade. Asuhur an bangke anut tin tame Karbi Anglong anut tin Karbi tum tame adon tin tum name je self reliance atmonirbhor bang phan chiki yok lo. Asomar phan kapurhe akhro nengkan sikechuyi aan ahan hadi bang phan chiki yok lo choram yok lo hadi. La sonangji pu bangso amang mate bangso target mensi la so visit Bharat ke bilo la si isi bang dak Karbi Anglong bang ke ni dipendang lo Karbi tu bang amat hadu tak ke de Aadhaar card awe jo ni nang di Ayushman Bharat card along dunde ration card along dunde lailo mate di si mu panel space long kapulo la si mu panel space long ta dungge lo la si la Aadhaar card kapalong ni phan bang jong si nang li mane kiduk da hem akorte bangir le Kitle medam abidi awe idea awe pulote idea ke do tom han arunang lapen idea ka chini tom ta rap dunang lapen dak theklong lo Bharatiya Janata Party along rong ro balong kitle medang tum ke lak itu ke la garat ke rap ji phansi khaiti ta meta kisip do lasi ni lima thalo ke bangya porbang ke adon tin tame la BPL family tom han kapanong सरकार पेन सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट पेन स्टेट गवर्नमेंट पेन पानों आदि लाहा स्कीम माने सेचुरेटेड माने 100% का पापलेंग ये फान टारगेट एनसी बांसो विकसित संकल्प यात्रा का बांगा पादोलो सिदा खेगलों लो इतोंगे Karbi Anglong के मेन के सिटी ऑफन से साइड सिटी गेम से लासे साइड सिटी या तुम पुलोते गुपिमा के लोंग नहीं ला सोलाम तमु पेन lang lo agriculture department pen ba nang li biwo chai no chupang reng tum di bemar kelong pen chupang reng na hak tatiat ti uta tiat ti la sikapa ti the phan pulo te pi mai kram neng open within department pen me than lo son thak thak sil lang ok mo pe no da korte bang ke sari pen non bang ke bojar pen lang ok chunam pon jok lo ke nam pon nga philam lo non ga alang sika cho yo thulo balam tak lang lo la silai lo atmonirbhor ke di la si lahai kadu go ma the asi sobit si bharat songkol data bang ke bilo la si da Karbi Anglong alu non apu is Karbi Anglong west Karbi Anglong data kali di mahasau ta dobam lo all Assam ta dobam lo all India ta dobam lo la ke la si inut I am people apa join sini dame bang so jatra long bang ke nang dodon lo la pe aku anso si ini itu bang dak district committee Bharatiya Janata Party amai pu rolen kiling akai kami nang kitong no la pen pini lada ka bang ke aku national vice president em cuba out kami akai alang di kami nang kitong nun pen bang so mai ati nang pidon alang di